Each of these extractors are the larger scale size. They hold 80 honeycombs, 80 frames. We're very happy with the flow when we utilize your extended track decapper, which is your X-Nox Mann Lake brand decapper system. We can keep that functioning non-stop with honeycombs, and it supports 3 of your 80 frame radial extractors, or the horizontal shaft extractors. Each extractor will run for approximately 12 minutes during the extracting cycle, with only about 3 minutes downtime, which is the big advantage of the X-Nox style extractor. That's something your future customers would be it'd be wise to be aware of. The value of the duplicate stainless steel racks allow the racks to be unloaded and loaded while the extractors are running. And it's only about 3 minutes downtime. The rest is solid run time. And as compared to some of the other competitors, the other extracting lines, we're very happy with the X-Nox style. I've run both. I've worked for other beekeepers over the years, and I've run a variety of systems, all the way from how I first started out in 1991 with a 4-frame hand crank in a school bus with all the seats removed, and through rented facilities and custom extracting. I have worked with the other competitors' inline systems, and we're very, very happy. As you can see, we've chosen yours, the Mann Lake X-Nox extractors. Since 2018, we've had no breakdowns whatsoever, other than possibly a rubber power belt, if there would be a broken frame that would bind an auger. But that's been very rare. Very happy with them. And we have 3. We've got 3 of those 80 frame extractors in sequence, and we're very happy with that. 3 of the 80 frame extractors synchronizes very well. It matches the time sequence to keep our uncapper track going nonstop. And it's, as you guys have seen, 5 employees is just optimum. 3 would be minimal. We can run this extracting system with 3 employees, but like I say, 5 is top efficiency and works very, very well. And with the 3 80 frame extractors, we can process 100 boxes per hour, whether that's deep boxes or 6 and 5/8 or 7-11 or whatnot. It's the same time requirement. And of course your racks, they'll hold any size frame. I remember those early 90s when we would have some small orders, and now it's opportunities for thousands of boxes and tens of thousands of frames, and of course the pollen patties. And it was new to me, but when we had our inspections and we were making decisions this fall, we had the opportunity for a female bee, an Nosema treatment in the pollen patty for the fall feed, and we're utilizing that this year, and looking forward to some improved longevity and health and good results. That's the biggest challenge I see for our bee industry now, is longevity, bee health, and obviously employees, labor. We, like many beekeepers, have opened our resume search up a bit more, utilizing the H-2A visa process. But yeah, I guess my biggest concern is safety and having enough staff. I think that's pretty normal for the industry. And we're happy with the safety record. This equipment has been very safe, good to operate, and yeah, basically bulletproof. Works very well. We're very happy with doing business with y'all.
Thank you for watching. We're happy to be able to provide videos from finding your queen to checking for mites. Follow our YouTube channel for new content.